The future is not coming to ask for permission. It is already knocking on your habits, your mindset, and your courage. And the question is not whether the world will change. The question is whether you will grow strong enough to meet it with faith instead of fear, with skill instead of excuses, and with purpose instead of panic. We often think that survival belongs to the strongest or the smartest. But history keeps proving one truth again and again. Survival belongs to those who are willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn without losing their soul. And as 2026 approaches, the world is not demanding perfection. It is demanding preparedness. It is asking you to upgrade your inner software before you upgrade anything else. The coming time will reward those who can stand steady when everything feels uncertain, those who can turn pain into power, confusion into clarity, and pressure into growth. Because skills are no longer just tools for income. They are tools for identity, dignity, and self-respect. And the right skills can turn an ordinary life into an extraordinary journey. Today is not about fear of the future. Today is about ownership of the future. About choosing 5 skills that will not only make you relevant in 2026, but resilient, confident, and unshakable in any season of life. Mastering yourself before the world. Emotional intelligence is the inner skill that teaches you how to understand what you feel without allowing those feelings to control your direction. Because life will challenge you not only with situations, but with emotions that rise inside you without warning. And when you do not recognize them, they begin to rule your reactions, your decisions, and even your self-worth. This skill shows you that strength is not proven by loud reactions or emotional explosions, but by the ability to pause, breathe, and choose a response that protects your dignity. Emotional intelligence helps you remain steady when others are unstable and calm. When circumstances attempt to provoke you, it allows you to hold your power without turning cold or defensive. In a world where people react instantly and regret later, emotional intelligence becomes a rare form of wisdom. It gives you clarity to see situations for what they truly are, rather than what your emotions temporarily make them seem. This clarity saves you from unnecessary conflicts, broken relationships, and self-inflicted wounds. Emotional intelligence teaches you how to deal with rejection without shrinking, how to face criticism without collapsing, and how to experience failure without doubting your value. It reminds you that events do not define you, reactions do. And when you learn to manage those reactions, you gain control over your growth. This skill also helps you understand others with empathy instead of judgment. It allows you to listen beyond words and recognize emotions beneath behavior. When you understand people, you stop personalizing their actions and start responding with maturity, which protects your peace and preserves your energy. Emotional intelligence is not about suppressing pain or pretending to be strong. It is about honoring your feelings while choosing not to be ruled by them. It teaches you how to feel sadness without drowning in it, and how to experience anger without letting it destroy your character. As the future unfolds, those who lack emotional intelligence will struggle under pressure, while those who possess it will rise with grace. Because emotional strength allows you to stay focused when life becomes overwhelming, and composed when situations demand resilience. When you master emotional intelligence, you stop seeking validation from people who cannot understand your journey. You stop reacting from wounds that were never healed. And you begin leading your life with awareness, balance, and quiet confidence too. Communication skills. Giving your voice the courage to exist communication is the bridge between who you are and how the world experiences you. And no matter how intelligent, talented, or capable you may be, if you cannot express what you carry inside, your potential remains unseen and unheard. Because ideas locked in the mind have no power until they're spoken with clarity and confidence. This skill teaches you that communication is not about speaking fast or speaking loud. It is about speaking honestly and listening deeply. It helps you turn thoughts into clear words and emotions into meaningful conversations. When you learn to communicate well, misunderstandings reduce, connections deepen, and your presence becomes impactful rather than invisible. In the coming world, opportunities will belong to those who can explain their value without hesitation, who can share their vision, without fear, and who can speak with purpose instead of apology. Communication gives you the ability to advocate for yourself, express your boundaries, and present your ideas in a way that earns respect. Communication also teaches you how to listen. And listening is power. Because when people feel heard, trust grows, and trust creates influence. This skill allows you to understand others beyond their words, to respond instead of react, and to build relationships that are based on clarity rather than confusion. This skill transforms confidence from something you feel into something others experience. When you speak with intention, your tone, posture, and words align, and people sense authenticity, communication becomes the tool that allows your inner strength to show on the outside. As the future approaches, silence will no longer be safety, it will be limitation. Those who hide their voices will struggle to be recognized, while those who learn to communicate will open doors in careers, relationships, and leadership. When you master communication skills, you stop shrinking yourself to fit into small spaces. You stop doubting the worth of your words, and you begin speaking with courage, clarity, and purpose, allowing your voice to finally take its rightful place. 3. Adaptability. Learning to move with change without losing your soul. Adaptability is the strength that allows you to move forward when life refuses to stay familiar. It is the ability to adjust without surrendering your values. Because the world does not wait for comfort or readiness. It changes. And those who survive are not the strongest, but the ones willing to learn, unlearn, and evolve. This skill teaches you that change is not punishment, it is preparation. It helps you let go of outdated versions of yourself that once felt safe but no longer serve your growth. Adaptability asks for humility before it offers progress, and it reminds you that growth often begins where certainty ends. In times of transition, adaptable minds see opportunities where others see loss. They understand that every shift carries a lesson and every disruption carries direction. This mindset allows you to remain curious instead of fearful, open instead of resistant, and hopeful instead of defeated. Adaptability also protects you emotionally, because when you expect change, you stop taking it personally. You learn to recover faster from setbacks and move forward without bitterness. This emotional flexibility becomes resilience, allowing you to rise repeatedly without losing faith in yourself. As the future unfolds, rigid thinking will become a burden, while adaptability will become a survival skill. Industries will change, roles will evolve, and paths will redirect. And those who cling to one identity will struggle, while those who adapt will thrive. When you master adaptability, you stop fearing uncertainty and start trusting your ability to navigate it. You understand that you are not behind or broken. You are becoming, and every adjustment you make is proof that you are choosing growth, courage, and progress over fear. 4. Digital and AI literacy. Staying relevant without losing humanity. Digital and AI literacy is no longer a technical advantage. It is a life skill, because the world is being reshaped by technology at a speed that does not wait for hesitation. And those who refuse to learn will not fall behind because they lack intelligence, but because they rejected adaptation. This skill is not about becoming an expert overnight or competing with machines. It is about understanding the tools that influence work, communication, creativity, and opportunity. Digital and AI literacy teaches you how to use technology intentionally rather than consuming it passively, giving you control instead of dependency. In the coming years, technology will decide how efficiently you work, how widely you reach people, and how creatively you solve problems. Those who understand digital systems will amplify their skills, while those who ignore them will feel overwhelmed and replaceable. Digital literacy also carries responsibility. It teaches you how to think critically, verify information, protect your privacy, and use tools ethically without losing empathy or authenticity. Because progress should never cost you your values. This skill allows you to work smarter, create faster, and learn continuously, opening doors to remote opportunities, global collaboration, and new forms of income. It turns fear of technology into confidence and confusion into clarity. When you master digital and AI literacy, technology becomes a partner rather than a threat. You stay relevant without becoming robotic. You grow with the future while remaining deeply human, aware, and intentional in how you live and work. 5. Showing up even when no one is watching. Self-discipline is the quiet strength that carries you forward when motivation fades and excitement disappears. It is the ability to do what needs to be done even when emotions resist effort, because life does not reward intentions. It rewards consistency and follow through. This skill teaches you how to keep promises you make to yourself, how to wake up tired and still, move with purpose, and how to choose long-term growth over short-term comfort. Self-discipline is built in small decisions, in moments where no one is clapping, watching, or validating your effort. In the future, talent alone will not be enough, because talent without discipline collapses under pressure. While discipline builds skill, confidence, and credibility over time, it turns average effort into exceptional results through repetition and commitment. Self-discipline also strengthens self-trust. Every time you show up despite resistance, you prove to yourself that you are reliable, and that inner trust becomes confidence that does not depend on praise or approval. It becomes the foundation of mental strength and emotional stability. This skill protects you from distraction, procrastination, and excuses that slowly destroy potential. It teaches you how to manage your time, energy, and focus with intention, allowing progress even on difficult days. When you master self-discipline, goals stop feeling impossible and dreams stop feeling distant, because every disciplined action becomes evidence of your ability to build the life you envision. Step by step, with patience, courage, and unwavering commitment. In the end, the future does not belong to those who wait for the right moment. It belongs to those who prepare themselves quietly while the world is distracted. These 5 skills are not trends, they are lifelines. Emotional intelligence to protect your peace, communication to give your thoughts a voice, adaptability to move with change, digital and AI literacy to stay relevant, and self-discipline to stay consistent even when motivation disappears. When these skills grow together, they do not just change what you do, they change who you become. As 2026 approaches, remember that growth is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming more of who you truly are. With courage, awareness, and strength, learn deeply, practice daily, and trust the process, even when progress feels slow. Because when skill meets resilience and purpose meets discipline, the future stops being something to fear and starts becoming something you are ready to lead